Hello everyone, my channel, and let's start this beautiful room decor idea. To subscribe and click on bell icon. Take piece of cardboard and draw any shape of the pot you like. It can be square, it can be round, it can be oval. But here I'm drawing a little bit round shape like a pot. And this part I am drawing to cut it to make the shape of the pot. Now you need to cut this part as well. This is just for the idea to get the exact shape for the rest of the pieces as well. With this shape, draw on the other piece of cardboard exact shapes like this. You need many pieces, it depends on the wideness of the pot you need. So I have no idea how many pieces I will use. Here you can see I have cut many pieces. Now we need to draw the bottom of the pot. You can use any size you want, bigger than the one I am using, I am cutting. But this size is fine for me. Now stick these two circles together, on which we will start to stick this curved shape cardboard pieces like this. But make sure you are using very thick piece of cardboard, otherwise it will not be easy for you to make them stand like this. Keep making round shape of these pieces. You can get the idea that it's now round shape of a pot. And on the top of the part I will cut the extra pieces which are a little bit longer than the rest of the ones because I didn't measure anyone. And now I will use the paper tape to stick the top part so they stay on the place. And now I'm using some more pieces of cardboard to fill the space between. I will not fill all but some of the places just to make them on the place. I have filled each part like this. They will not bend and it will be easy to work according to the shape. And now here I have some more cardboard pieces. Take them like this and start to bend them to cover the space like this. Take the hot glue, start to stick the glue on each part and start to cover them with these cardboard pieces. Make sure you are using the bending side of the cardboard so it will be easy to take the shape of the pot. Like this, keep covering all the parts of the pot to give the shape, to get the round shape. If you don't want to go to this idea to make the cardboard pot, you can use any extra pot in your home, plastic bowl, or you can use it through the newspaper glue and with balloon. But for me that's a little bit time taking thing, so I didn't go to that side to make it with balloon and newspapers and glue. So this one is better for me. Here you can see I have covered almost all the parts. And now I will use the paper tape to fill these spaces between each part. I will cover all of the pot with this paper tape or masking tape. Like this, here it's done. And now I'm taking another round piece of cardboard to put it in the bottom of the pot again. Here I have empty masking tape cardboard, which I will use on the top of the pot like this. It goes easily through this cardboard circle, and now I will stick it with the hot glue. I will use a round piece of cardboard, and after that you will come to know for what I am making this. Just keep rolling it and stick it on the one side of the pot. Okay, here is another thick piece of cardboard, but a little bit bigger than the first one, which I will stick here again to make it balance. And draw some more small circles of the cardboard, which we will use for the lid of the pot. Together, this is going to be the lid for the teapot. And with another thick piece of cardboard, start to complete the lid of the teapot by leaving some space from the sides. And this one is going to be the holding part of the lid. Again, another piece of rolling cardboard to stick it in the center of the lid. Here I'm using an extra birthday cap. I need to cut the top part of this to use it for the teapot. And here I have some tissues and white glue and water mixture. I will cover all of the teapot, all the parts with this glue and tissues, and let them dry completely. Here it's dry completely, and now I will use black acrylic paint with some white glue mixture to make it more strong and long lasting. Glue is already inside, and I will use a sponge to give it the nice shape and texture on the pot. Here I have cut a shape of lips on a piece of paper or card paper, and then I will use a molding clay, and I will start to work according to the shape of the lips I cut it. first I was making it just a straight simple shape with this piece of the paper, but at last I wanted to get some popping shape of the lips, so I started to give it some shape by adding more clay. Looks like exact real lips. Here I was just working, I was thinking to use it like this, but after I changed my plan, and in next step you will see what I will do with this. Here you can see they are dry now, and I was thinking to use them just like this, but it was for me it was not looking good, and I am not perfect in molding and those things, so I am here trying my best to get the exact shape of the lips. I was using some water on the dry clay to stick the second one on top of this. Here you can see I rolled some piece of clay, and I started to work according to the first shape of the lips. Here you can see it's popping, it's not flat now, it's just a little bit like a 3D. Of course I am not perfect in these things, but I am trying my best. Hope you will like it. If it's difficult for you, you can use just simple pieces of red lips from the cardboard pieces, from the papers, or you can get the ready lips from the market, like a polymer clay, something like this. But I wanted to do, because I was enjoying this, so I started to do accordingly. And then I will do the down shape. This one I didn't like much, this shape, but in my other lips I get much better shape than this one. Here you can see I like this shape more than the rest of them, because the rest are my first try when I was doing them, and this one was like a third or fourth piece, so I got the idea how to give them shape, and I like this one more. So while they are a little bit soft, I will apply some glue, and this black color is having already glue I used before, and I will start to stick them on the pot so they can hold the shape of the pot while they are wet. If they are dry completely, it will be very difficult for you to stick, and they will not hold the shape, round shape of the pot. They will stay straight, which will not look nice. So I plan while they are a little bit soft, I will stick them, and then I will complete the rest of the pieces. And on this part from where we will put the tea, just kidding, of course, I will apply some glue and black color. I will fill this space with tissues to cover them completely, and I will stick some clay also on top to cover it completely. Let this get dry, and then I will stick one more piece of the lips here. I will apply some glue and black color mixture on top of this clay part as well, and then I will stick this lip here as well. Here it's almost done, and I have an empty lipstick which I will use also here. The lid of the lipstick I will stick here. The open part of the lid should be facing this side. Apply hot glue and stick it. Okay, I will apply some hot glue on the lid as well to close it completely, because you don't need to leave it open. So the other part of the lipstick I will stick here like this. I'm using red acrylic paint. Here it's night time, because of light you feel the shade of the color is not pure red, but it is red. Anyway, I will start to paint all the lips with the red color. And then for this empty part of the lipstick, I have to make a piece of looks like real lipstick as well with the clay. I will give it a shape of the lipstick. Here I have made the shape as much as I could, and now I will take white glue, fill the empty part of the lipstick with glue and stick this one inside. Paint this one as well with the red color, and then you can remove the excess lipsticks or colors from the black part. Here the inner part of the lips, I want to give them the black shade. It's like mouth close or something like this. I don't know how to explain, but I want to make them black to make them prominent more. I use transparent spray to give them some glossy look. It's done. Where was some shades of the red color came on black part, I have covered them also again with the black color. I made them neat and clean, and here you can see it's done. I really loved it. It's just a home decor idea, room decor idea. It's a little bit different, but I love to do this, so I made it. I hope you like the video. Please give me thumbs up, share my videos, subscribe to my channel, and click on bell icon for more ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.